Hi, Namaskara. I am Ravisuriya, a student of software testing and a practicing test engineer from Bengaluru. I hope all is well at your end, and I'm sending you all good vibes. Yes, all the good vibes to you. I want to share my experience as a ATA volunteer for this year 2022. An experience that I want to experience, and I'm enjoying it. As a ATA volunteer, I interact with my fellow ATA volunteers, members, and with you, that's with community, where we collaborate, communicate, plan, host the meetups, talks, conference, and we do much more impact as a ATA volunteers. Thanks ATA for this opportunity and role. I'm enjoying it. I remember now when I say conference. This year, that is this December, ATA GTR 2022 is scheduled, a retreat. Yes, a retreat. Do look at the page of ATA and register for this conference. Well, I say this, I want to share one of my experiences from ATA's conference. Last year, I did attend API testing summit from ATA. To my knowledge, this is a conference of its kind. That's the first conference solely dedicated to API testing. I've never seen that before. My experience as a speaker from paper submission to my talk on later was smooth. And as an attendee of this conference, I took back the learning to my desk and I implemented them based on my context, and I see the value. Yes, I see the value out of it. Thanks, ATA, for that conference, and we should be doing more of such conference. Let's do it together. Let's do it. More power to you and more power to us. More power to you and more power to us. Why wait? Let's go to the ATA web page and register for the conference, ATA GTR 2022. We ATA volunteers are here to assist you and make your experience smooth and enjoyable in the conference. Let's take our learning together to the next step. Let's build community much stronger together. Yes, let's build our community much stronger together. See you soon in the conference. We are here to assist you. Here. Your Professor Ravisuriya. See you soon. Good day.